India's very first Nobel Prize was awarded to the Bard of Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore, for his profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful Gitanjali. In 1913, Tagore became the first non European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. One of the most celebrated Indian poets, Tagore is also the only author whose compositions were chosen by two different nations as their national anthems. The national anthem of India and Bangladesh were written by Tagore. Some even say that the Sri Lankan national anthem was written by him, while others insist that it was merely inspired by his work. Tagore's Nobel Prize was stolen from the Vishwabharati University on the March of 2004. However, the Swedish Academy decided to present back two replicas, one each in gold and bronze, to the university. The second Nobel Prize was awarded in 1930 to Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, a physicist from the Madras province of British India. He is the first Asian and the first non-white to receive a Nobel in Science. Raman discovered that when light transverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes in wavelength. This phenomenon was named after him as the Raman effect. Unlike several others to whom the Nobel Prize came as a pleasant surprise, Raman was so confident on winning the Nobel that he booked tickets in July for the awards that were to be announced in November. The next Nobel was one that was eagerly awaited by everyone, not just in India but around the world. In 1983, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel for Peace. Though born in Albania, Mother Teresa spent most of her life serving the slums of Calcutta. She also received several other honors, including the 1962 Magsaysay Peace Prize and the Bharat Ratna. On the 4th of September 2016, the Catholic Church recognized her as a saint and she became Saint Teresa of Calcutta. India's first Nobel Prize for Economics was conferred to Amartya Kumar Sen in 1998 for his work in welfare economics. During his illustrious career, Amartya Sen also served as the Chancellor at the Nalanda International University. He is currently the Professor of Economics and Philosophy at the Harvard University. In 2014, Kailash Satyarthi became the second Indian to receive the Nobel Prize for Peace. The committee jointly awarded the Peace Prize for Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the rights of all children to education. In 1980, Mr. Satyarthi founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan, which has since then helped more than 83,000 children from 144 countries. It is also because of Satyarthi's work and activism that the International Labour Organization adopted Convention No. 182, which strives to remove the worst form of child labour. The convention is now a principal guideline for governments around the world. India's first Nobel in Medicine was awarded in 1968 to Hargobind Khurana along with Marshall Nirenberg and Robert Hawley. Their work showed the order of nucleotides in nucleic acid, which is the genetic code of the cell. Khurana and his team established that the mother of all codes, the biological language common to all living organisms, can be spelled out in three-lettered words. Khurana was born in Rajpur, British India, and later moved on to become an Indian citizen after the partition of 1947. In 1966, he became a naturalized citizen of the United States. The second Nobel Prize in Physics for India surprisingly came to a person who was the nephew of the first recipient. Mr. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar was born in Lahore, which is currently a part of Pakistan. He studied in the Presidency College, Madras, before moving over to the University of Cambridge. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar did pioneering work on the evolutionary stages of massive star and black holes. and showed that the mass of a white dwarf could not exceed 1.44 times that of the Sun. This number is named after him as the Chandrasekhar limit. Chandrasekhar became a naturalized citizen of the US in 1953. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan is an Indian American born in Chidambaram, India. Venki was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the year 2009 along with Thomas A. Steens and Ada Yonath for their studies on the structure and function of the ribosomes. He was knighted in 2012 but generally does not use the title Sir. Ramakrishnan was included as one of the 25 greatest global living Indians in the 2013 list published by NDTV. And then there were a few other Nobel laureates with Indian linkages, either foreigners who were born in India, or those with Indian ancestry, or those who were residents of India when they received the prize. The list includes Ronald Ross, who received the 1902 Nobel for Medicine, Rudyard Kipling, who received the Prize for Literature in 1907, the 14th Dalai Lama, who was awarded the 1989 Prize for Peace, and V.S. Naipaul, who received the 2001 Prize for Literature. So friends, that was the list of Indian Nobel laureates. We hope you enjoyed the video. For more such interesting topics, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.